This is the SR08 Smart Ring with a built-in LCD screen and activation button, which you can tap to bring up the time and a whole bunch of other functions on here. It's available in many different sizes, several different colors, and wow, it is sweet. The one on my wrist is ready to go. It's deactivated right now. If I press and hold the button, however, it will turn the screen on, giving you the time. Tap again. It shows you my step count for the day. Once more, I've got my heart rate, the last reading, and it'll go into a mode where it's going to give me my new heart rate. If I skip through that, it'll go to blood oxygen, and it'll do the same thing. It'll go through using red, you can see it flashing there, and infrared diodes to give me my blood oxygen reading. Tap again, it shows last night's sleep time in hours and minutes. One more shows the power level currently in the ring, and an option to turn the LCD off by long pressing on the button, and then it won't interrupt at all if you accidentally touch the button. Tap one more time and you're back to the time of day. Again, it's called the SR08 Smart Ring. Comes with an amazing charging case that lights up red, green, you name it. Will charge the ring directly from the battery in the case, and then you can charge the case and keep it with you at all times. SR08, guys, check it out.